My name is Nicholas Ninjo Denwar. I work for a research institute in the northern part of Ghana, known as the Savanna Agricultural Research Institute. I work as a plant breeder. I breed soybean and peanuts as well. Our soybean breeding program is quite a young one, just a few years old. Despite that, we have made some progress. We've released about 5 soybean varieties now, and these are widely cultivated in the northern part of Ghana. One variety, Janguma, is very much cultivated and adopted in the northern part of Ghana and even beyond the borders of Ghana. As a young institution or breeding program, we have challenges with infrastructure, with equipment, and trained personnel. So our focus will be, for now, to develop our infrastructure, get equipment, and train young ones so we can strengthen the breeding program. So we have released about 5 varieties so far for cultivation in northern Ghana. The most popular variety is Janguma, and it's so popular because it's high yielding and it's resistant to pod saturn, which is relevant to farmers because for now, soybean is not a staple crop, and farmers tend to spend more time on their staple crops before they harvest soybean. And so if the variety is not resistant to pod saturn, the farmer is likely to lose his crop. We also have developed Afayak and Swampungu and Kwasi, and these are all very good materials. Swampungu, for example, is a 90-day variety which allows farmers to be able to fit into the reducing rainfall period in northern Ghana. Afayak is particularly useful in controlling Saiga, which is a parasitic weed in northern Ghana. It affects maize and sorghum, and for now we don't have a resistant variety of these crops. So soybean is used as a trap crop in conjunction with Saiga-tolerant maize to be able to make sure that farmers are able to get a good crop of maize as well as soybean. Right now we are working on the new generation of soybean varieties. These will be climate smart varieties because climate change is here with us and the rainfall is dwindling. We have more frequent droughts and diseases are emerging, so we need to develop climate smart varieties. And this will include short duration, drought tolerant, disease tolerant varieties. We have several lines that we are testing for now. We're still doing that throughout the country to be able to identify which of them are doing well in specific locations or which are broadly adopted to the whole country. And so we'll take a decision on those in about 2-3 years after we've done a wide testing. My advice to other breeders in Africa, particularly those on soybean, is that soybean has such a great potential to our farmers. First, it can be used as a soil improving variety because as a legume it fixes nitrogen. In terms of nutrition, it's very, very nutritious, over 40% nitrogen, which can be used to bring down the malnutrition in children and lactating women. Soybean is also a cash crop that farmers can use to get extra money to be able to take care of their family. So it's such a wonderful crop that I think we should collaborate more, share more experiences and resources. I know we are all just beginning the breeding programs, and our breeding programs are not that strong, so we should share resources and experiences, particularly we should be exchanging germplasm and forming a very strong network for soybean research in Africa.